Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kaylee. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I just wanted to do like a super laid back kind of get ready with me style video today. I have a couple of errands that I need to run in a little bit. So I just wanted to like throw on a little bit of makeup, kind of update you guys about my life. I just wanted to talk to you guys about my goals for this new year. Kind of just letting you guys know what I'm gonna be like aspiring to do throughout this new year and just kind of let you know where I've been, like what's up with me currently. I don't think I've ever done one of these type videos on my channel before, so I'm not sure if you guys really like get ready with me's or if that's something that you really want to see from me, but I just kind of felt like sitting down today and just doing like a super relaxed video. I don't know, that's what we're doing today. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that red button right down below and go ahead and subscribe before you leave. And if you guys are down to just hang out and get ready with me while I update you about my life and my goals for 2019, then let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so like I said, I haven't really done this kind of style video before, but I got some places to go, so I gotta get ready at some point today. I do want to do a video with me using all of my current favorite products. So I think I'm gonna do a full face actually explaining all of my favorite products coming up here very soon. But first of all, what have you guys been up to? Like, I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas and a great New Year's. I just had a pretty relaxed Christmas and New Year's. Like, not too much was going on, just the usual kind of stuff, which it was really nice. But now it is the new year and I'm really excited that I don't have a ton of stuff going on at work anymore. Like, I can have more than one day off per week, which will be nice. And really get back to like a somewhat regular filming schedule and at least uploading 1 to 2 times a week. So that's like my biggest goal going into this year, is just that I want to be more consistent. Another thing with the new year is I love to follow like as many beauty and makeup related people as possible that are just like really nice and kind of fun and down to earth. I've been following Raw Beauty Christie for like 6 or 8 months now, and I'm so glad that I finally took everyone's advice and like went over to her channel because I think she's so funny and so great. That's how I spend every single morning, is just sitting down doing my makeup, watching YouTube videos before work. It's just one of my favorite pastimes. So if you guys have any channel recommendations, definitely let me know. Not so much a goal as just something that I really want to be better about. I started doing this at the beginning of the year last year, but I never actually like followed through with it past January. But I want to be better about like writing down the really good big things that happen. I think it's really important to note the things that make you really happy, and when they happen, sometimes, you know, good things can happen back to back, and sometimes one thing can get overlooked by the next, or something bad can happen and overlook the good things. So I really just want to make it a point to like write down all of the good things that happen in my life this year. Just something as simple as me like just marking a little note down in this notepad. Maybe me sticking to an exercise program for a certain amount of time and like being proud of myself. I could write it down. Making a milestone at work or a milestone on YouTube, like things like that, just like even the smallest things. Then it's nice to just have that at the end of the year. You can kind of go back through and read all of the highlights throughout your year. So that was a plan of mine for last year that I ended up not following through with, but I'm gonna try my best to give that a real shot this year. I'm just trying to be like happier and more positive in my life, and I think that taking the time to note the positive things that happen in your life and write them down and then reflect on them later is really important and going to be really helpful in me doing that. Somewhat related to that is I really want to get back into like reading my Bible a little bit more, at least just doing like a small passage every day, just because I feel like that always puts me in a much better mood and like starts my day off right. Or even if I don't have time and I do it before bed, it just like lets me go to bed with a more like peaceful mindset and like ready for the next day type thing. I think that'll just help me have a more positive mindset going out into the workforce every day and dealing with particularly difficult people. So another thing that I want to do this year, and this is something that I started in 2018, but something that I'm going to be like a lot more strict with myself about. I just have some things that I need to kind of push out of my life and not focus on those things anymore and just focus more on myself and not really caring about what other people think. I'm definitely going to try to be saving money more often. That's just something that I have always been really bad about, is like actually saving money. I really love makeup, clothes, shoes. So it's hard for me to kind of tell myself no when it comes to things like that, especially when I have a YouTube channel and a platform for you guys. Like, I really want to be able to test out like new products and things that come out and like let you guys know, but I also kind of have to like take a step back. I would love to grow my channel to the point where I actually have like a little bit of money coming in from it, where I can actually take the money that I make from YouTube and reinvest it back into YouTube. But until I get to that point, I just kind of have to like rein it back in, and I can't always be purchasing every single new product that launches or every single cute top that I see, just things like that. So I'm gonna really try to be better about my personal spending. And we also have a lot of projects coming up here in the near future with the house and things. Like, there's still a lot of stuff going on that I definitely want to get done, and I think it's just gonna help, again, me being a positive, happier person if my house isn't a total mess all the time. So there's a lot of projects and things that we still need to get done around here, and it takes money in order to do those projects. So I'm definitely trying to save money more towards the house and less towards makeup and clothes right now. And then kind of going along with that, another one of my goals for this year is to be more organized in my daily life, whether it's my calendar or my house. I just really want to be better about being cleaner, I guess. It's hard when Jake and I both work full time, and I know that's kind of a cop-out, but it's just hard sometimes to keep the house clean. But I find that when the house is not clean, it really affects my mood. I'm just gonna find more time to do smaller tasks throughout the week rather than letting it build and build and build. I'm gonna try to just be a little bit better about time management and actually like getting small things done throughout the week so that I don't have that overwhelmed feeling of the whole house being a mess. So over here behind me we have two bedrooms. One is our bedroom and the other one was just a second bedroom. We are turning the second bedroom into a bathroom slash closet for our bedroom because they're both kind of small rooms, so we kind of want to combine them and make it more efficient that way. So that's one of our big plans for hopefully this year. We can get that done. But before we can start that project, I have all of my clothes and shoes and jackets and everything looks like it exploded in that room. I'm just one of those types of people that I'm very lazy. I'll wash the clothes and dry the clothes, but I will never fold the clothes. So I'm gonna try to be a lot better about that. The majority of the clothes are just kind of like thrown on top of dressers and things and not folded or put away at all. So I really need to like go through that room and just kind of purge and get rid of things that I'm not wearing anymore. I'm gonna try to like start this project today, probably get that room cleaned and organized so that we can start that next project of turning that room into a closet bathroom with actual organization and places for me to put my clothes. If that is something that you guys would be interested in, is like watching me go through and do like a speed cleaning of that room and organizing everything, I could definitely make that happen. I think it might be more fun for me if I was actually filming like that process of me getting that room cleaned up. So I might do that. So you guys might see that video. I don't know, maybe. Kind of going along with me wanting to be like more clean and more organized this year is that I also want to eat more clean this year. I really want to try to like find a happy medium. Like, I still want to enjoy what I'm eating and what I'm doing and like really enjoy life, obviously. So I don't want to force myself to eat like so clean that I'm unhappy. Eat out less because we have been eating out a lot lately. So a big thing for me is going to be trying to at least make some of my meals at home instead of eating out for like basically all of our meals. I love pizza and I love cheeseburgers. Like, those are my favorite food. I'm gonna try to do like the 80-20 rule and eat really good whole foods 80% of the time, but also let myself have that cheeseburger or tacos or pizza 20% of the time. So I think just that kind of adjustment will be really good for me, and hopefully I will feel better and have more energy, and then hopefully that will lead to me getting back into a more regular exercise program, because I have not been in the mood to work out in months and months and months. So I think that's just about all of my plans and goals for 2018. Like, it's not anything like super dramatic or super crazy. It's just me like wanting to make small changes in my life that will make myself overall a happier and more positive person, because that is my overall like #1 goal for this year, is just for me to be happier and more positive. So I think all of the other little things like adding up will really help contribute to that overall happiness. What are your guys' goals for this year? Do you have anything big planned, or are you kind of doing like me where you're just wanting to like in general make yourself happier? So if you guys are some of my regular viewers, first of all, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate your love and support here on my channel. But I would love for you guys to like reach out to me during the next couple of months, and if you want to stay in touch with me and just make sure like hold me accountable to my goals for this year, like, Kaylee, have you been eating better? Kaylee, I see that your table over here is really dirty again. Are you staying organized? And I'll be like, no, thank you for letting me know. I'm slipping on that area, so let me go ahead and take 10 minutes to clean up my room. And if you guys want to share your goals for 2019 with me, I will happily check in with you as well. We can accomplish our goals together. Other than talking about goals for this year, I have been at David Yurman for about 9 months now. As crazy as that sounds, Christmas was my 9 months at David Yurman actually. When you guys are doing your makeup and you're like swatching, do you ever like swatch eyeshadow colors and then just wipe it right on your sweatpants? I still keep seeing everyone talk about Bird Box. Did you guys watch Bird Box? Overall, after I finished it and like an hour went by and I kind of let it process, I think I actually did like it. And even the parts that I didn't like, I feel like were definitely necessary to the whole plot of the movie. So I overall enjoyed it. Jake and I are actually both off today, which is shocking and surprising. So hopefully we can just put on a movie tonight and kind of relax and take down all the Christmas stuff. Because honestly, I am tired of looking at it. And I'm not one to ever put up like a ton of decorations and things for Christmas. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's really just like the tree, but putting that away is just kind of a hassle. So I'm not sure if I ever mentioned this to you guys before, but a couple months back, I started doing the visuals at the store. It's not like a huge job. I get a lot of help from my coworkers, but basically I just am kind of the main person that's in charge of like updating the displays every once in a while, like adding the new holiday displays, like doing the windows at the front of the store. So I get the bonus for that job this month, and my birthday is at the beginning of next month. So I think I'm actually gonna do it. For the first time in my life, I think I'm going to treat myself and buy a luxury handbag. At this moment in my life, I can't really afford designer things as much as I love them and have an appreciation for them and like the whole fashion industry. Obviously, that's what I went to school for, and it's just something that I'm very passionate about. But, you know, it is expensive and it is like a non-essential. Every once in a while, you deserve to treat yourself, and it's something that I've wanted for a super long time, and the timing just seemed like kind of perfect that I would get this bonus right in line with my birthday. So I think that is going to be my birthday present this year, is I'm just going to do it. I'm actually so excited about it. I think I have the exact one that I want picked out. Like I said, I have a couple of errands to run, so hopefully I can grab Jake and we can go do those errands and then come back here and put the Christmas stuff away, and maybe I'll start cleaning my room out tonight. Just a simple everyday type makeup look. I thank you guys so much for taking the time to hang out with me today. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys enjoy these types of videos where I'm just kind of like chatting with you about life and different things, because I frankly love watching these types of videos. I think it's so entertaining. Like I said, it's one of my favorite things to like sit down and do in the morning when I'm just doing my makeup and getting ready for the day. I just love to like relax and watch makeup videos and just kind of like catch up with people about their lives. So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, definitely let me know and I can do more of them in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome week, and I will see you guys in my next video.